Hey, this is John with Mobile Tech RX. We are a auto reconditioning, estimating, and invoicing software. We handle all aspects of auto reconditioning, from paintless dent repair, detail, interiors, glass chip, as well as paint touch-up and wheel repairs. We make the aspect of running your business as smooth as the repairs that you do on your cars. So we'll give you a little walkthrough real quick and just do an overview. So a couple of screens that we have going through, if we look at our paint protection film or vinyl, we've got some preloaded packages set up in there that are completely customizable in your back office. Wheel repair guys, you can select your wheels, you can select multiple wheels at a time, and we've got all of your repairs that you normally do. When it comes into hail, integrated hail matrices, full selection of add-ons, everything that you need. Windshield chips. Everything for accurate record keeping and to make sure that your customer understands the repairs that you're doing for the money that you're charging. So one of the things that we really pride ourselves in at Mobile Tech RX is the constant updating of our system to stay relevant with the times and relevant with the needs. So we began early on in the early stages all with paintless dent repair and the aspects of paintless dent repair as we moved into wheel repair. And now over the coming months, we're going to be rolling into the detailing aspect of auto reconditioning, and the detailing world is huge. They've been stuck in a pricing module that could be considered the 1980s, and we've developed an entire new detailing matrix, a pricing model that will revolutionize detailing in the same manner that we revolutionized the paintless dent repair pricing matrix. So we've changed that model once before, and now we're going to look forward to changing that in that detailing end. So we're really looking forward to that. That's should roll out around March 1st. Then we also got onboard scheduling that's going to be coming out shortly after. The ability to accept credit cards right from within the app is all rolling out, all very short, in a very short time frame, just one right after the next. So it's going to be a very busy year for us here at Mobile Tech RX. As always, during the sign up, you can get a 30-day free trial. If you're a detail company and you haven't seen our new release yet, you can always get on our waiting list where our marketing team will email you updates as to where the programming's going, what's being done during the programming, and when that release comes out. And that's going to include releases such as the scheduler, the integrated scheduler that will work for your company-wide and integrate with your Apple Calendar and your Google Calendars. Your ability to process the payments through invoices that have been emailed off, as well as process those payments right taking the card within the app. So we're really looking forward to an exciting 2020. Lots of great things coming down the line, and we really look forward to working with you out in the field. And I want to give a great thank you to Chris for putting us on here and giving us a little time to talk about our product. You can like us and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. It's just Mobile Tech RX. You can find us on the website at mobiletechrx.com, and there you can get on that waiting list or sign up for your 30-day free trial. Thanks a lot, everybody. I'll see you down the road.